welcome back in Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. We are here back again in our music session and we have our music teacher Sir Danish with us. Hello sir, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good.
Okay. Hi, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are very happy and safe at your places. Okay, so do you all remember my name?
Yes.
Myself, Danish Arif, and I am from the Orchid School. So we are here for your music sessions. So today we are going to sing again. We are going to sing so many poems and so many rhymes. Okay, so guys, are you ready for this session now?
Yes, we all are ready.
Okay, so in the beginning we are going to sing. Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Listen to the music and clap your hands.
So come on everybody, come on, clap for your hands. Yay. Okay, now say after me. Clap your hands,
clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands.
Again.
Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands.
Now, snap your fingers. Come on. Snap
Your fingers, snap your fingers. Listen to the music and snap your fingers.
Again.
Snap your fingers, snap your fingers. Listen to the music and snap your fingers.
Okay, that's great. Now jump up
High.
Guys, you can jump. Come on, jump up high. Come on, jump
Up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high.
Again, jump up
High, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high.
That's great. Now turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. So guys, are you all ready for this now?
Yes, we all are ready.
Okay, now turn around.
Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around.
Again.
Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around.
That's great. Come on everybody, clap for yourself. Good job. Okay, so again we are here for your music session. So today what we are going to learn?
Sir, can you teach us the song मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है?
Wow, it's a very nice song, guys. I
Yes.
hope कि आपको आज की सॉन्ग में मजा आएगा. इस सॉन्ग का नाम है मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है. So guys, are you ready for this song now?
Yes, we
That's
all
great.
are
Again.
ready.
Okay, so first we will learn lyrics. अब आपको याद होना चाहिए.
Yes.
ठीक है ना? Again, first we learn
Lyrics. Actions and then the composition.
Then after we all will sing
Together.
together. Okay, again, okay? Say. मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे.
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे.
आप हमारे साथ इस लाइन को रिपीट कर सकते हैं और कहिए हमारे साथ. मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे.
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे
नई खुशियाँ
नई खुशियाँ
देता है.
देता है.
अगेन, ओके? मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे.
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे
नई खुशियाँ
नई खुशियाँ
देता है.
देता है.
शाद माँ वो शाद माँ
शाद माँ वो शाद माँ
मुझे बना देता है.
मुझे बना देता है.
अगेन, शाद माँ वो शाद माँ
शाद माँ वो शाद माँ
मुझे बना देता है.
मुझे बना देता
That's
है.
great. Now again, okay, from the beginning. मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे
नई खुशियाँ
नई खुशियाँ
देता है.
देता है.
शाद माँ वो शाद माँ
शाद माँ वो शाद माँ
मुझे बना देता है.
मुझे बना देता
That's
है.
great. Now next, okay. जब होती है
जब होती है
कोताही कोई
कोताही कोई
या कोई बात गलत
या कोई बात गलत
मुझसे
मुझसे
मैं करता नहीं
मैं करता नहीं
हो जाता है.
हो जाता है.
जब काम गलत
जब काम गलत
मुझसे.
मुझसे.
अगेन, ओके? जब होती है
जब होती है
कोताही कोई
कोताही कोई
या बात गलत
या बात गलत
मुझसे
मुझसे
मैं करता नहीं.
मैं करता नहीं.
Again, मैं करता नहीं
मैं करता नहीं
हो जाता है.
हो जाता है.
जब काम गलत
जब काम गलत
मुझसे.
मुझसे.
नाउ मेरा खुदा
मेरा खुदा
बिगड़े हुए मेरे काम बना देता है। Wow, that's great. Come on, clap for yourself. That's great. Now again, say, मेरा खुदा बिगड़े हुए मेरे काम बना देता है। Wow, that's great. Now again from the beginning. Okay? इस दफा आपको हमारे साथ रिपीट करना है। Okay guys? So I hope कि आप सब इस सॉन्ग के लिए तैयार हैं। मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है। शाद मावो मुझे बना देता है। Right, nice, good job. Okay, जब होती है कोताही कोई या बात गलत मुझसे मैं करता नहीं हो जाता है जब काम गलत मुझसे मेरा खुदा बिगड़े हुए मेरे काम बना देता है। मेरा खुदा बिगड़े हुए मेरे काम बना देता है। Wow, that's great guys. I hope कि आपको इन सब के लिरिक्स याद हो चुके हैं, तो क्यों ना अब हम इसके एक्शंस और कॉम्पोजिशन सीखेंगे। So guys, I hope कि आप सब रेडी हैं। Come on. Now say after me. मेरा खुदा Again. मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे Again, now again with the music. मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है। Again. मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है। शाद मावो मुझको बना देता है। शाद मावो मुझको बना देता है। Wow, that's wonderful song.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so now it's time to sing with rhythm. Okay, so guys, now it's time to sing with rhythm. So are you all ready for this song now?
Yes, we
That's
all
great.
are ready.
Good job. One, two, three, four.
मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है। मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है।
शाद मावो
मुझको बना देता है।
Come on, say.
शाद मावो मुझको बना देता है।
मेरा खुदा
हर रोज मुझे
One, two, three.
जब होती है कोताही कोई या बात गलत मुझसे मैं करता गलत मुझसे।
Sing it again. Okay guys. जब होती है कोताही कोई या बात गलत मुझसे, मैं करता नहीं, हो जाता है जब काम गलत मुझसे। Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
जब होती है कोताही कोई या बात गलत मुझसे, मैं करता नहीं, हो जाता है जब काम गलत मुझसे।
मेरा खुदा
बिगड़े हुए मेरे काम बना देता है।
Come on, say.
मेरा खुदा बिगड़े हुए मेरे काम बना देता।
शाद मावो,
शाद मावो, शाद मावो मुझको बना देता है।
again.
शाद मावो, शाद मावो मुझको बना देता है।
शाद मावो,
शाद मावो, शाद मावो मुझको बना देता है।
wow, that's great. Come on, clap for yourself. That's great. Okay, so guys, I hope कि आज के सेशन में आप लोगों ने बहुत enjoy किया होगा। तो ओके अमेरिसा, आज हमने कौन सा सॉन्ग सीखा है?
हमने आज का सॉन्ग सीखा है मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है।
बेशक, मेरा खुदा हर रोज मुझे नई खुशियाँ देता है। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों ने इस वाले सॉन्ग में बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा और बहुत एंजॉय किया होगा।
We hope you all had fun and let's move on to our next session.
Hello and welcome again to Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. And now I wanted to ask you some questions first of all. Are you ready? Yes. Tell me, are you washing your hands again and again? Really? Great. And did you brush your teeth in the morning? Good. Did you have the breakfast? Healthy breakfast? What did you have? Oh, you had omelette again. Wow, lovely. It's a healthy food. We should eat an healthy food daily. Alright, and the breakfast is the very important meal of the day. Alright, now we are going to sing a rhyme. Are you ready for the rhyme? First of all, tell me, are you awake or are you sleeping? Okay. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong bell, ding dong bell. आप सो रहे हैं, आप सो रहे हैं, भाईजान, भाईजान। सुबह हो रही है, घंटी बज रही है, डिंग डोंग बेल, डिंग डोंग बेल। Wow, you have sang it with me. Great. Now, before starting a new sound, I would like to know something. Do you have looking eyes? Show me your eyes. Great. Do you have listening ears? Wow, you are listening. Excellent. Do you have thinking mind? Excellent. Shabash. Very good. Now, we can move on a new friend. Are you ready for the new friend? Our new sound, I mean. Yeah? Ready? Let's go. Okay. Now, this is, what is this? Ha. This is Ha. This is ha. Ha. Hammer. Ha. Heart. And what's the color of the heart? You're right, it's red in color. Excellent. Ha. Hut. Ha. Hut. Ha. Hedgehog. Ha. Hedgehog. Ha. Horse. Do you know where does it live? Where does a horse live? Yes, it lives in stable. It lives in stable. Righto. Now we will move on. Seasons. As I have told you, there are how many seasons in a year? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, summer, winter, autumn, spring. Now I am going to move where? What we are going to learn now? Yes, months of the year. There are how many months in a year? How many months in a year? Come on, tell me. Yes, 12. 12. How many? 12. Now, we have learned about January. January, spelling of January we have done. February we have done. Now we will move on the third month of the year, and that is March. What is that third month of the year? March, you're right. And mostly in Pakistan, spring comes in March. Flowery season, you know, lots of flowers around you, lots of butterflies around you. And we are going to spell March. Okay, ready? M-A-R-C-H. March. And it's the third month of the year. Okay, it's the third month of the year. Now, we have learned new things today. We have learned a new sound. That is, yeah, ha. Ha, say it with me, ha. And season, winter season, and third month of the year, that is March. Now you are learning a lot with me, Miss Savera, isn't it so? You are learning new sounds, months of the year, and seasons also, isn't it? So learning new things, more new things. You have to wait till tomorrow's episode, and that is Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. Then see you tomorrow again. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the new segment of Math with the Orchid School. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn numbers, we are going to learn shapes, and one new thing we are going to learn. But before that, I would like to tell you that wash your hands before and after a meal for 20 seconds. Are you doing that? Well done. So let's start our lesson. But today we are going to sing a poem first. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Well done. Yes, we have done it before as well. And you remember that song. Very good. We are going to learn new songs as well. Okay? So let's move on to our number thingy. Come on. Which number is this? You know, it has one round and another round. But how we are going to write number 8? Let me tell you. It's and then you have to close this. So we are going to make number 8 like that. Now I have few things for you. Are you ready to count with me? What is this? It's very yummy. We can have it in summers. What is it? It's a It's a cone ice cream. Well done. It's a cone ice cream. Do you like cone ice cream? I love cone ice cream. You want to know how many cone ice creams do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 8 cone ice creams. I have something else for you. We are going to make a shape man. Yes, with the shape we can make many things, but right now we are going to make a shape man. Okay? This is a shape man. For man, what we are going to do first, we are going to paste circle first. And then what comes after the face? We put eyes. See, what do I have? I have oval shape. I have oval shape. And what I have made with these two oval shape? I have one black oval shape and I have one white oval shape. One is big and other one is small. But what is this? It's an eye. Excellent. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to apply a drop of glue on one eye. See, I have another eye as well, and I am going to apply a small amount of glue on another eye. See, now one eye and now two eyes. How many eyes do you have? Yes, we all have two eyes. So I am going to paste this eyes on my shapey man. See? Is it looking nice? But where is my shapey man nose? Oh, I have this triangle shape. For what? For a nose. Now again I am going to apply a small amount of glue and I am going to paste it on what? On the face of this shapey man. See? Now my face is complete. Okay, after the face, now see my face is complete. So what I'm going to put next? I'm going to paste body. And for body, which shape I have? I have square. What shape do I have? It's a square and I'm going to paste a square. Now see, my face is here. The shapey body is here. Now, what are these? These are my two hands. So, this shapey man also has two hands. Okay, so let's paste hands. One hand and another hand. Now, what about the legs? Do you have legs? How many legs do we have? We have two legs. So my shapey man has also two legs. See, one and two legs. See, my shapey man is ready. Look at here. I have one round face of my shapey man. I have two oval eyes for my shapey man. I cut a small triangle for the nose and my shapey man was already very happy. Now after that I pasted what? A square shape for the body and rectangle shapes for the hands and rectangle shapes for the legs. And how many hands and legs do my shapey man has? He has two hands and two legs. Well done, kids. Excellent. Now we are going to do something new. You know the fruits, a mango fruit, it's very yummy and healthy. I have, what is this? I have this mango fruit. Let me take out these scotch tapes. Okay. I have another mango. I have another mango with me. I have one more mango with me. And I have, this is the last one. I have this mango as well. Okay, these all are mangoes. Now, what next I have? What is this? It's a cloud. We all know it. Very good. One cloud. You can count with me. 2. Very good. Then 3. What comes after 3? Come on kids, tell me. It's number 4. Well done. And last but not the least, this is also a cloud. Number 5. Now you know what do I have? I have kites. Well done. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have something else. We did it yesterday. Yes. What is this? A carrot. It's a vegetable. And what is the color of these carrots? It's orange and green. See? This is the 4th one. And the last, 5th. Okay, so what's that? What I have done this? These are mango, clouds, kites and carrots. But you know what? In each row, something is different. Now you have to see what is different and we are going to take that odd one out. Now see, this is a yellow mango. This is also yellow mango. This mango is also yellow. Is this yellow mango? No, this is not yellow. So I am going to take this out. Now what else I have? Oh, I have another mango and this is also yellow. So I am not going to take it off. Now, what are these? These are clouds. What is the color of cloud? It's blue. Very good. I have this cloud. This is blue. Very good. What about this one? Is this the same like this? Yes. This one is also same. It's also blue. This one is also blue. But what about this one? Is this blue? It's a cloud, but this is not blue. So this one is odd from all these clouds. So I am going to take it out. I have taken the odd one out. Now I have kites in the next row. What is the color of this kite? This is purple. What is the color of this kite? It's pink. This is also pink. What about this one? This is orange? No, well done. This is also pink. And what about this? The last one. This is also pink. So what is odd in this row? Which kite is odd? Come on, tell me. Yes, this purple one is odd because these all are pink and this one is purple. So I am going to take this purple one out. Now I have the last row and in this last row, what do I have? I have carrots. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrots. I have 5 carrots. But which carrot is not similar with others? Which one is odd? This one? No. This one? Very good. No. This one? You say yes. So I am going to take this one out. What about this one? This one is same like these? Yes. And what about the last? My last carrot is also orange like others. Well done, kids. I hope you like all these activities. Now this is the end of our segment. We are going to meet you tomorrow, inshallah, on the same time. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.
Hello and welcome back in Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Here we are in our art session. So let's welcome our really amazing arts teacher, Sir Mushtaq.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you will be fine at your home. Assalamu alaikum. Amer sir, how are you beta?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
I am very much fine.
That's good.
So guys, today I am going to teach you how to create a 6-hole stationery holder.
Wow, it sounds interesting.
Yes. So without wasting our time, I am going to show you the material.
Okay.
I am going to use a colorful card sheets. I am going to use
A cardboard,
cardboard,
a glitter paper,
glitter sheet or glitter paper, a scale and a sharp scissor, and I am going to use
hot glue gun.
hot glue gun, and I am going to use this cutter. So should we start?
Yes.
Okay guys, so first I am going to take 6 colorful card sheets. I have 2 each color, 2 each color and 2 each color. I have purple one, I have brown, and I have
Green.
green, and the sizes are 8 inches by 9 inches. Okay?
Okay.
8 inches इसकी लेंथ हो जाएगी और 9 इंचेस इसकी विड्थ हो जाएगी. ठीक है? So सबसे पहले I am going to cut and fold this paper. 9
Okay.
inches वाली जो साइड से I am going to fold it from the center.
ठीक
मैं
है.
इसे सेंटर से
फोल्ड कर देंगे.
fold कर दूंगा. I am going to fold it right now and crease it. Then I am taking 3 inches from the side. I'll take a pencil. 3 inches. Done?
Yes.
Then I am going to mark it from the edge of this cardboard or card sheet. Okay guys, मैंने इस टाइप से इसे मार्क कर दिया है. Now I am going to cut it by a sharp
Scissor.
scissor.
Be careful when you use a sharp scissor.
Now done. I have done. Now the shape is like this. Then I am going to fold it from the center. I'll take a scale, mark 2 inches from the center. From the upper side. Then I'm going to fold it like this.
Okay.
Got it, Amer साहब?
Yes.
और जब हम इसे फोल्ड करेंगे तो इसका शेप कुछ ऐसे आ जाएगा, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दिस. द फर्स्ट होल इज
Ready.
ready. अब हम now we are taking another part, a simple center crease. Can you do it from here?
Yes.
Come on, one by one, because we have to end this session inshallah as soon as possible. crease it properly. Take the last piece. Then
तो अब ये जो आपने पहला शेप काटा था, इसको आप बाकी कार्डबोर्ड्स के ऊपर ट्रेस कर लेंगे।
ट्रेस करेंगे और इसे कट कर देंगे।
ओके।
Now I am going to use this scissor. Do you have the scissor?
यस।
Okay, come on. Cut one piece. Very good, very good. Please try it at your home because it's a very easy trick, very easy method.
I'm done.
Very good. Put it over there. Now it's time to use this ruler. Take 2 inches like this, and yes, I'm going to fold it by my scale. Two is ready. 2 inches.
2 inches from the bottom and 2 inches from the top.
Yes, from the top. And do it very nicely. Then the last one, which I am going to
Fold. And
fold
give the shape.
and give the shape. Very good. Now it's time to use
Hot
the
glue
hot
gun.
glue gun. देन हम इनर साइड पे इसके ग्लू गन लगा देंगे.
Okay.
We are using this glue gun in the
Inner side.
inner side. Then the last one, I have to paste it by hot glue gun. Like this. Done.
Yes.
So we have 6 holes are here and they are ready. अब इन्हें assemble करना है, इन्हें join करना है.
Okay.
ठीक है, अब हम join करने के लिए सबसे पहले we'll take brown one. We use
Hot glue
this
gun.
hot glue gun like this. और brown के साथ हम green join करते हैं, है ना?
Yes.
हम इसके edge to edge मिला के इसे join कर देंगे
Okay.
like this. Then we'll use
Hot glue gun.
hot glue gun. And which color we'll use?
Purple.
Purple. Purple हमने लिया. After purple, we'll use once again which color?
Brown.
Brown. Very good. Then हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी एज पे लगाएंगे स्टिक को,
Yes.
ग्लू गन, और हम इसे लास्ट
Stick कर देंगे.
स्टिक कर देंगे लाइक दिस. Properly. Done?
Yes.
Then it's time to use this
Cardboard.
cardboard. Guys, इस कार्डबोर्ड को हम क्या करेंगे, इसे हम बॉटम पे रखेंगे, इस पेंसिल होल्डर को इसके ऊपर रख के हम इसे प्रेस करेंगे. प्रेस करने के लिए थैंक यू.
You're welcome.
Now we are using this scale. शेप हम इसका प्रॉपर्ली बना देंगे. Then I'm going to use this sharp cutter.
Cutter.
Yes, done. Now we are going to use
Hot glue gun.
hot glue gun. Like this. And please be careful
Yes.
when you use this kind of hot glue gun. You have to paste over here. It will take some time. Base is ready. Okay? Now, it's time to use this
Glitter sheet.
ग्लिटर शीट. हम इस ग्लिटर शीट की 1 इंच की स्ट्रिप्स काट लेंगे, जो कि बिल्कुल हम बॉटम में लगा देंगे. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
One and two. Now it's a sticker form. बिल्कुल हम बॉटम से लगाएंगे ताकि जो कार्ड शीट की जो पीसेस है ये सामने नजर नहीं आएगी.
ठीक है.
Okay? One part is almost ready. Okay, now it's time to decorate this
Pencil holder.
pencil holder. For decoration, I'm taking a simple felt of pink color. अब इस फेल्ट से हम क्या करेंगे, एक फ्लावर ट्रेस करेंगे. ऑलरेडी मेरे पास ट्रेसिंग का जो सैंपल है वो है. मैंने क्या किया है इस पे, बाय यूजिंग दिस ब्लैक पेंसिल मैं ट्रेस कर रहा हूँ. आफ्टर ट्रेसिंग आई एम गोइंग to cut by using this sharp
Scissor.
scissor. Can you cut it?
Yes.
जब तक अमेरिसा इसे कट कर रही है, मेरे पास ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर कुछ कटअप्स रखे हुए थे, मैं आपको शो कर देता हूँ। I have some cut-ups over here. अब हम इस कटअप्स को कहाँ करेंगे, कहाँ हम पेस्ट करेंगे आमिर साहब?
On the pencil holder.
यस, हम सेंटर में पेस्ट कर देंगे इसे, लाइक दिस। देन विल यूज अगेन ग्लिटर शीट फॉर द राउंड, फॉर द सेंटर ऑफ दिस फ्लावर। ट्रेस किया हमने, then by using this sharp scissor I'm going to cut it a round shape for the middle of this flower. So how many flowers are there? There are 5 flowers?
Yes.
ठीक है, so how many rounds we need?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and
5.
5. The last piece.
Yes.
And our pencil holder is
Ready.
ready. So Amersa, do you like this pencil holder?
Yes, I do, and I enjoyed making it as well.
Thank you, Amersa. So guys, if you like this session, so please subscribe our channel and give your comments.
We'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.